Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make very healthy green tea for everyone, especially for this changing season. It's a very special tea for those who want to cut down their fats in their body as well as helps to lose weight without cutting down their daily intake routine. So start by taking 1 liter of water in a saucepan at medium flame. Now add fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, cardamom seeds almost 3 to 4, cinnamon sticks half teaspoon, brown sugar 1 tablespoon, green tea leaves 2 tablespoon, ginger 1 tablespoon chopped. Now at this point we are taking fresh turmeric almost 2 inches. You can easily buy it from your market. Peel it off and ground it coarsely. Now when tea starts boiling, add grounded turmeric in it. Now allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. Now strain this and drink it twice a day with half a lemon in it. Discard this residue and squeeze half a lemon in your cup. Do give it a try and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching.